Hey, hello everybody. I got this electronic circuit tester. It's a brilliant tool for the automotive electrician and mechanic. I've needed one of these. It's a power probe. It's very helpful when it comes to diagnosing vehicles. You don't always need a power probe, but when you do need one, you need one. So this guy, we're gonna give it a try. I can already tell it looks like it's a good one. It's got some really good long cables, so we can hook up to our battery, to our power, to our ground, and we've got an exciter wire here. Really nice set. It looks like it comes with a little bit of electrical tape, 2 rolls. It also comes with some good instructions. So there's just a lot of information here and different ways that you can use the tool, and if you're not familiar with it, it does break it down pretty easy. So it looks like it also comes with a nice little carrying case, so you can put it in, stuff it back in your toolbox when you're done. All right, so I removed the bulb holder from the back of this car for demonstration purposes. I went ahead and I hooked the positive end up to the battery and the negative end up to the car's ground. It has this little extra wire attached, and this is so that way you can apply the ground to the circuit that you're testing. This guy's really nice because you can use it to test and see ground. So this circuit where I'm touching, it's letting me know that I have ground applied to that circuit. All you got to do is push this up for positive or down for negative, and now you're applying voltage or you're applying ground to whatever circuit you're testing. If I go ahead and I apply voltage right here, it's going to turn my light on. So it's a really good way to test to see if your bulbs are working while you have it out of the car, right on the bench. It's a lot easier than trying to do it inside of the car. Without this probe, I don't think you could do it unless you had a lot of jumper wires. So this is very handy, very convenient, and it works great. So it's also going to tell you if you got continuity. So I know that I have from this ground point to here, I have continuity. So it's also a continuity tester. And if I had power here, it will tell me that I have power. So if you touch anything on that has the vehicle's battery power applied to it, it's going to let you know. Really nice handy tool, makes diagnosing a lot easier for situations like this. Several areas where you can use this on the car. It's very helpful. I'm glad to have one in my toolbox. If you guys like it, click on the link below. Thanks, check it out.